Yeah, this is Jerry Dill at Dill's Greenhouse. Every year in the spring, people come in and want to get their tulip bulbs. They want to get their daffodil bulbs. But the truth is, you have to plant that stuff this time of year. It has to be in the ground, cool ground, all through the winter, and it'll come up and bloom next year. So this is the time to plant your bulbs if you want spring bulbs. And the first bulb that always comes up is snowdrops. They call it snowdrops because a lot of times it comes up in the snow. So this comes up in early March or late February a lot of times. Crocus is another small bulb that we plant. What I like about crocus is they actually multiply when you put them in the ground, and that's not true of all the bulbs. So crocus are nice. And then probably my favorite bulb are narcissus or daffodils. They also multiply, so you end up getting more and not less. So, and they're very hardy, very colorful. Got all different colors of those. While we're standing here, bone meal or bulb tone, you want to put in the hole when you plant the bulb. So we'll walk around there a little bit more. Here's an auger to help you if you want to put that on your drill. Drill a hole in the ground about 6 inches deep and then plant your bulb in there. Now, the smaller bulbs you only plant a couple inches deep, but the bigger bulbs would be about 6 inches. It's also a good time to do garlic for next year. Hyacinths are the very fragrant bulb, but the reality of a hyacinth is they only last maybe 2 to 3 years. They're really not a forever bulb, but they are very, very nice and very fragrant. People love those. The other bulb people ask about in the summer, especially, are aliens, and they come in all. That's that tall bulb you see on the stem, usually purple. You'll see it early, late May. They come in all different kinds too. They even have ones that have a little star shaped. So aliens become very popular because people just like them because they're different. Grape hyacinths, that's this bulb here, is very nice because it multiplies like crazy. So once you plant some of those, you have them forever. Let's see what else we got over here. Now the tulips, there's all different types of tulip bulbs. The tulips are not really a perennial bulb forever. Every year the tulip bulb the blooms get smaller. So normally when you plant tulips, you're going to have to plant those about every 3 years. You get about 3 years out of a tulip bulb and it has to be replanted. So if you want your bulbs in the spring, a beautiful color, and they all bloom at a little different times, we can help you with that. So, but this is time to do your bulbs.